Hello everyone, I'm finished 4 of the clients. As can you see, they are 4 complete with blinking LED off. So actually all the clients are disconnected. I connected them to this power splitter, connected to this power supply. As you can see, we have absorption on 5 volts of 3 ampere, so we approximately have 15 watt of power consumption. The circuit is the most complicated part of the assembly of the device, and I start the test with 4 of them. Actually, I test 2 connected to the server, and I never test 3 or 4, so more than 2 of devices connected to the system. So the client is almost there. Okay, it's complete as it is finished, ready for test, built with gyro and mics on the board. So the board is not a secret. As you can see, there's no secret on the device. The software is the main features and gonna be the real troubleshooter for the code, all the signal for all those the clients. So I will finish with the board, with the chassis, with the casing. I almost print the last part, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope nothing explodes. Bye.